How should I use motivation? Remember, motivation is only the feeling that makes you take the first step to change. This could be down to a life scare, revelation, motivational interviewing. This forces you to prioritize the habits that lead to the goal. For example, booking with a PT, whatever it is. Remember, after a few weeks, motivation will dip. You then need to focus on discipline, which means doing the behaviors that lead to your goal, whether you feel like I'm not. I've trained today, but I'm tired and I'm motivated. It doesn't matter. You still need to carry it out. Doing this over time, focusing on discipline, combined with repetition, on average of 66 days, will lead that behavior to becoming an automatic habit, which means you do it unconsciously without needing to be motivated. This, over time, repeating these behaviors will lead to that ultimate goal in which you originally started.